In this video, I show you how to replace an ABS control module on a 2007 Toyota Camry. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. If you'd like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Before you do anything, you need to disconnect the battery. Find the negative connector, usually has a black cap or a minus symbol. Loosen the nut. Remove the connector from the terminal and move it away from the battery. This is where the ABS control module is located in a 2007 Toyota Camry. I ordered a replacement part from my local auto recycler. All I needed was the ABS control module, but my auto recycler only sells a module with the ABS pump attached. I realized I had a problem when my speedometer stopped working while I was driving. The brake warning light and ABS warning light came on. The speedometer needle would occasionally flicker, as did the tachometer, which is the RPM gauge, and the temperature gauge stopped working altogether. The gear light that usually says the R, N, or D when you're driving, that would turn on and off all by itself. I'll put a link in the description to a video showing the craziness that I saw on my dash. Lift up on the plastic lever to unlock the cable connector, then disconnect the cable. Remember, you are going to disconnect your battery first. Now you can remove the 4 screws from the anti-lock braking system control module. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I'm using a 5/32 socket to loosen the bolts. With the cable and the 4 bolts removed, pull the ABS control module straight off. On your replacement part, make sure that you didn't get any dirt on the gasket before you install it. On the inside of the ABS module, there are 2 slots and 8 holes that need to line up with the pins on the block. I lined up the 2 slotted pins first, then gently worked the 8 pins into their holes. With the replacement ABS module in place, you can secure it with the 4 bolts you previously removed. My replacement part cost $177 Canadian, and that was for a recycled part. Now that included the ABS pump, which I didn't need to replace. Replacing the ABS pump would be a more complex job, as the brake lines are under pressure, and that job's probably best left to the experts. When ordering the part, the auto recycler asked me a few questions. They asked if my car had a traction control button, which it does not, and they asked for the 5th digit in the VIN, which is the vehicle identification number. With the bolts tightened, you can reattach the cable connector. To do so, just push it back into place and then slide the lever back down, and it should pull its way back and lock in place. Here's the same thing, just at a different angle, so you can get a better view of how to lock that cable connector back in place. Once the cable is locked in place, you can reattach the battery wire and tighten that connection. If you replace your ABS module, leave me a comment on how much your part cost. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.